Last 3 days, I was feeling a little bit depressed because I lost my drone so stupidly. And yesterday, I got a new one. This one is very cool. It's very tiny, and it's jam-packed with awesome and cool technology. So we're gonna make some video here, see some beautiful shots. The reason I like this one is because it has the FPV and it has a remote control that's kind of like Xbox.
It's 100% copied from Xbox.
Yeah, it looked like Xbox. Maybe they license, or maybe this thing is not copyrighted. I can use my cell phone connect and see the live video when I'm flying. So now I'm starting the app, and I can see the video now. And here is so beautiful. Once the drone is high up, you can see so beautiful view.
There's a remote control airplane there, filming it.
Oh. This is really good because it has altitude hold. And now I'm going to take it off. Here we go. The rotor is rolling now, and we're going to fly up.
Careful. You lost 2 drones already. It's a bit windy right now. So, like, is that fine? Oh, there's the airplane.
And this thing has very good range. It has 100-meter range.
And also 200%.
And it also has headless mode. So let's say when you're outside, you lose the range, you can turn on the headless mode so you can always come back home.
Press home. Where is it?
It's high up. You can see the view from the phone.
Press home. Oh God, where is it?
I can press this return home.
Yeah, do that.
Back. But
it has GPS?
It's drifting.
Where is it?
It's over there.
It's cloudy, but it's still hard to see. Did you press return home?
I'm manual control right now.
Well, you better manually get it over here.
Oh look, there's a halo around the sun, very beautiful.
And very bright. Oh God, eyes. Bring it down. Oh, thank God.
See, we still got lots of battery. I fly over there. See, the battery is still good.
Now, would you please land
if the
it?
battery is low, it's going to flash. And some selfie, yay!
Is this even recording?
It should have a, yeah, it's recording, yeah. Okay, let's land. Yeah. Hi guys, now I'm just gonna give a quick tutorial about how to fly this drone. So, if you want to make the altitude go higher, here you pull up, and this for coming down.
Or landing.
Yeah, and this is for rotation. And because it has an altitude hold, so you don't have to be busy controlling the throttle. And then this is for direction, right? Going forward, going back, going left, going right. And the good thing about this drone is when you are outside flying, and then when it's far away, you lose the orientation. You can press the headless mode. Once the headless mode is activated, it'll stop beeping. So even when you are facing the wrong way, you come back, it'll come back. So the orientation would be easy for you to come home. And if you press this home button next to the power, it will be flying toward the controller. So just in case you couldn't fly it back. And then this is for trimming, and you can do stunt. If you press this one, and then if you want the front flip, back flip, left flip, right flip, it will do that. If something bad happened, something weird, you turn it off and then turn it back on for it to reset. So same thing here, turn it off, press and hold to turn it off, and then turn it on again.
Then turn it on here.
Turn it on and sync the controller. Okay, now activate the rotor and then fly.
No, it's working.
See, with the altitude hold, basically you can control with one hand. It will hold its position. And now we're going to fly to get some food because I'm feeling hungry.
Really windy. Not sure if the mic is picking it up.
Oh, see, it's flashing now, right?
Low battery.
Yeah. When the light is flashing, that means the battery is low. When it's low, you want to fly lower because when the battery run out, it will just land. Ah, see that?
Yeah. I don't know.